Good afternoon, friends. This is Pawan Verma, and today is 29th of September 2023. Dear friends, I am going to analyze the chart for your reference. Means I am going to analyze the chart of Nifty day for your reference, and just requesting you to kindly do the analysis on the principle which I have laid down with you all for analyzing the stock as well as index, which can be applied in anywhere, means for any trading analysis or any technical analysis, this principle can be applied. And I'm requesting you to kindly analyze the chart of Bank Nifty. And if you are facing any difficulty on the analysis made by your own, then kindly contact me on through email or drop a message in the comment section so that I can clarify the same at the early. So friends, without wasting the time, we are just going to analyze the chart of Nifty. Just here is the same for your reference. See, this is the chart of Nifty. What we are observing in the Nifty, first of all, Kinkel-Sen crossover is seen, first of all. Second, MACD confirmation is also there. So in this way, we can just determine the trigger price, and that is coming around 19,670, 666, 19,666.80. This is the first level. But why we are just made our opinion that today we will get a bounce back. How we have got the confirmation? The important thing which I am just want to discuss here, why we are just so confident that the market is moving upward today. See, yesterday what we have observed that the stock has reached the support level. See, I have already disclosed you all that the Nifty is having the support at around 19,525. Just look back 2 or 3 days back when I have analyzed Nifty and Bank Nifty both. Just see the video. Now friends, we have just disclosed the levels. That is 19,526 here. It has breached the level, closed below the level, this level, support level, for half an hour. Thereafter, the last candle had surpassed the high made by the 3 consecutive candles. You just see. No, 4 consecutive candles. This candle, this candle, this candle, and even this candle. See, and close, not this candle, this candle means 3 consecutive candles. Last 3 consecutive candles, high has been reached by this particular candle. This was the first sign. This was the first sign that the index is going to bounce back. First sign, this is not the confirmation. first time. Thereafter, what we are observing that today at 9:15 a.m., the difference between the Kinshasa and Kinshasa is quite high, and this reflects that the selling pressure has been reduced, and consequently the buying is on the start. Buying has not started. I am not saying that the buying has started, but buying is on the start because the first candle has closed above the triple. This is the second confirmation. These two confirmations gives us the confidence that market is in the upward direction and some pullback rally will be seen in coming hours. I am not talking about the whole sentiment. Whole sentiment still whole sentiment is bearish right now. Complete sentiment is bearish. If we like what is the current trend, short-term trend is bearish. We are just identifying the pullback rally for an hour or two. We are not saying that this is a complete trend. Do not get confused. If you are a trader, you can be benefited at this stage that you have got the confirmation that the market is going to be in the upward direction for an hour or two. Second, now we have to find out where this rally can be terminated. Obviously, the resistance level which we are just seeing or form or have just arrived at this is the particular resistance. That are the levels where the particular rally, this rally can be terminated. So friends, how do we determine the resistance level? At this stage, what we are observing that we have got the instant trend confirmation candle and particular candle is this one. And from here, if you will look back 26 period to find out the highest price made during highest price made by the stock during this duration, we will find out that the close of this trend confirmation candle is the highest price, that is 19,086.80, which is also the trigger price or the price, but we are just one the price which we are just identified that if the index is traded above this particular price, one should enter into the positive side. Okay. But what are the resistance levels where that rally can be terminated? First of all, that has to be discussed right now. So we have got the trigger price, we have got the trend confirmation by inconsistent crossover and MACD crossover. Everything is positive, but the trend is not sustainable and the chain will be terminated. Where it will be terminated, let's see what happens. And why we are just saying that the rally is going to continue? Because the C. Because there is a moderate gap between the span A and span B, and span A is moving towards the span B. Span A is moving towards the span B, which will lead the stock to this level to this level, 19,730. Thereafter, the crossover may be seen, and if the green cloud formation is observed, then from suppose if the crossover is done at this scale, the stock may reach to the level of 19,823. These are the two levels, that is 19,730 and 19,826. This is the pivot level, and this is the span E level, span A level. Corresponding spanning of the Tinkerson-Kinesian crossover. We are just coming to this, how this line has been identified. I am just telling you. First, you identify this level, that is 19,730, and this 19,820. These are the two levels where the stock may reach in an hour or two. But this is a pullback range, very short term. Overall sentiment is still bearish. So friends, I am just asking you to do not go for the long for 3 to 4 days of photo. Do not be in long position. It's not a recommendation, it's my suggestion only. So friends, when the crossover will be seen, we are expecting that the price may approach towards the level of 19,823 or 822. From here, we will see that some resistance will be, green cloud formation will be seen, and from here we will just see the retracement. If the positive sentiment sets up, we will see some retracement, and the index may come down to the level of 19,730. So this was the complete analysis of 15-minute chart. What we are just saying that why this line has been imposed in this particular chart. Just move down to see the analysis on the basis of $11.15 candle means the candle which has begun to form 5 minutes. No, this candle has been 11.15 candle. Yes. 11.15 candle, what you are observing that Tinkerson-Kinesian crossover is seen by the index, and corresponding position of span A, which can be located by drawing a vertical line from this particular candle, and the crossover of span A and span A can be treated as the resistance level. So from this particular point, when we draw a vertical line here, we have identified this level, and from here we have drawn one horizontal line with a higher fixing. So we are seeing some is we are seeing a horizontal line which is quite means the width is being seen in this particular line. This may reflect the 1 hour chart analysis. On the basis of 1 hour chart, we have just identified this particular line. So friends, Trigger line has been discussed and identified, whereas this particular level has been identified. From here, the stock may face resistance, and this is the level the stock can go. From there, we can get the means. From here, we can see the retrace. So, friends, the overall sentiment is bearish, but I am telling you because span B and span A in 1 hour and even A is the width is very high, deep, you can say. Here, just look there. Unless and until this crossover is in positive direction, we will not confirm that the bearishness has gone and bullish sentiment is on the card. Instead, the particular, if you will see that in this particular Nifty, the bearishness persists, and that will what that will take the Nifty downward. And if the downward journey Nifty starts from this level, what we may expect that the support of 19,525, which is quite means as compared to first testing of that particular support, second testing becomes quite weaker. So support level of 19,525 or 26 is weaker support as compared to first testing. If this support is taken away, then the index will move to the level of 19,380. So all the aspects of the Nifty movement has been discussed with you all, and I am asking you friends to just analyze the chart of Bank Nifty, and if you have need any clarification, you just drop a mail or drop a message in the comment section. I will just respond it at the earliest. So friends, I am just requesting you to just like the video or subscribe the video so that you can be updated on each and every video which we are just sharing. This is the conceptual and execution video, and on that you can be benefited. Certainly, I am requesting you, my dear friends, to share this video in your group so that retail customers or many people can be benefited on the knowledge which we are just delivering. So friends, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Today, the analysis of any stock right now, we have not generated any list right now. If we see some stock, we will again come back to you. So friends, I'm just requesting you to kindly do the analysis of Bank Nifty, and if there's any problem, you just drop an email and or drop a message in the comment section so that I can respond it at the end. So friends, thank you very much for now.